Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Setting up ProtonMail on your Mac means using ProtonMail Bridge. ProtonMail is a secure, encrypted email service, primarily accessed through a web browser. However, to use it with a desktop email client like Apple Mail, you need the Bridge application. First, open your web browser and go to protonmail.com/bridge. Download the ProtonMail Bridge application for macOS. Once downloaded, open the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to install it on your computer. After installation, launch the ProtonMail Bridge app. You will be prompted to log in with your ProtonMail username and password. Do this. Bridge will then generate specific IMAP and SMTP server settings, along with a unique password for your email client. Keep this information handy. Now, open your preferred email client, such as Apple Mail. Go to Mail in the menu bar, then Add Account. Select Other Mail Account and click Continue. Enter your full ProtonMail email address, your ProtonMail username, and the special password provided by ProtonMail Bridge, not your main ProtonMail password. For incoming mail server, IMAP, and outgoing mail server, SMTP, use the localhost address and port numbers displayed in the ProtonMail Bridge application. Make sure the Bridge app is always running in the background for your email client to connect. This process integrates your encrypted ProtonMail account directly into your Mac's email client.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.